Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back. This is hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. Every week on Monday, our host, who is Crafty Girl Chronicles, and anyone else who wants to participate, um, fills out a planner. You don't have to decorate it. It's more about kind of getting your life in order, knowing what you need to do so that you don't stress over having too much to do and trying to schedule things out to make it more reasonable and enjoyable for you. So this week didn't decorate it first and I just used a black Papermate flare. These are my usual that I go to, different colors and stuff. They do um, they don't go through, but you can sort of see them, especially some of the brighter colors. And then I was digging around the washing. I was just going to go with black and white theme, but then I found this, which I'm pretty sure I've used before in here. This was from Tuesday morning. Of course, they're no longer. And it's a Bow Bunny washi tape garden party, I think it's called. 8 pieces. Yeah, garden party. I don't know if I have anything else of bow bunnies to go with that, but I was kind of in the mood for green because other than our pine trees, the green leaves are gone. The leaves are pretty much gone, except that there's a pile of them right outside my door because the wind blew them all there. And I don't even have trees with leaves. It's all neighbors across the street. Anyway, and then I pulled out the Hobby Lobby Stickabilities greenery pack, and I went for the ones in pots mostly because this is mostly cacti and yeah, other greenery in pots in the back of the truck and so forth. So I just randomly put those around where I already wrote everything. Let me put this back down and I'll just go through the week with you. So this is Monday. Um, at 8 a.m., I have a televisit with my insurance provides like either an in-home visit or a televisit. I'm doing the televisit at 8 a.m. and I'm told it could last up to 45 minutes. I'm hoping it doesn't last that long, but anyway, I think they just go over. Honestly, I don't really see much point in it yet for me. As I get older, maybe. I'm sure they check things like fall risks, do you have bars in the showers, all that fun stuff. Am I checking my blood pressure? And I am every day. Anyway, stuff like that. Videos for today. I'm not doing Mandala Monday. I'm doing that every other week. And since I posted last week, that'll be next week. But I'm doing this video and then Coloring Party with Friends 2024 will be done next. I already have that done. I just have to record it. And Color and Create with Us Rock Art, my first week, because I bought the 2 coloring books they're using. So that'll go up today. And then at noon, I didn't put that on here, on my other channel is Jewelry Making Fun. And sadly, once again, I'm not ready. But as soon as I get these videos done, I will be starting on that jewelry and hope that I can get the video up at noon because I'm the host for that one, Jewelry Making Fun Collab. And every month we follow color prompts and some optional challenges. And I missed 2 months this year, which is really bad. So my to-do is everything in this schedule here, either walk or rake leaves, and I think I actually need to rake leaves because it is going to be around 63 degrees for the high today, Fahrenheit, which is pretty good. The rest of the week's going to be cooler. And I didn't do my meal plan yet for the week, so I have no idea what I'm having for dinner tonight. I had planned through Sunday, but yeah, anyway. So I need to do that so that I stay on track and don't go out and buy stuff I don't need because I have things. I already did my big shopping, so there's a few things I didn't get in the big shop that I do need. Um, but I'm going to try and hold off to get them till the 25th because I have prescriptions that'll be filled by then. And it's my pharmacy's in the grocery store. So anyway. Tomorrow I have an appointment at 11:30 outside the home. And I was going to do a live stream today for those of you who heard that on a different video. But I have to push it to Tuesday. There's no way today I can do it with having to rake leaves and stuff, and it just works better for me for Tuesday. I know Left-Handed Crafter usually goes live Tuesday, like 11 to 1 my time, so I'm not going to do mine until 2 p.m. Probably an hour to an hour and a half. I don't want to go past that. And I'm going to make cards from the embellishments on the 11th collab that I did. Okay, so if you want to join me live on Tuesday, 2 p.m. Eastern, that's I think 11 a.m. to 1, 12, 11 a.m. West Coast time, and you can fill in the blanks in between. I do really need to dust and vacuum my living room. Even if I don't get the rest of the downstairs done, the living room has to be done. And when I'm out for my appointment, I need to fill my gas tank in the car and take some cash out. We have a little convenience store slash gas station chain around here called Wawa. I used to love getting their French vanilla cappuccinos, but I don't so much anymore. Anyway, and at 11:30 I won't be getting that. But I go there, get my gas filled, and then I go in. They have a free, no charge um, ATM, so I'll get my money out there too. So I have to go in, unfortunately. And then Wednesday, I'm going to have a day of fun, assuming the weather holds out. Right now, they're calling for rain, but not till like 6 p.m., and I should be home by then. I'm going to go up to see my friend Sue, and she lives near an Ollie's that I want to go in. And guess what I'll look for? Coloring books and some other stuff around the house. And maybe, cheap gifts for kids. Well, grandkids. I don't know. I don't know what to get anybody this year. Um, and we're gonna have lunch, and she wants to go to a thrift store or two, and that's fine with me because they have a lot more of those kind of things up her direction than where I actually live. So my top three, I didn't even write in. I put a plant over it, but they're basically, I didn't write in walk. One is walk. But here, if I rake leaves, that'll take the place of my walk. So I guess Tuesday, I guess it would be before my live walk. And Thursday, is hashtag deck the year, and I do not have that one done. So I think I'll just do 1 week this time. So I have make and video, the deck of the year, and I have work in my junk journal. That would be my junky junk journal, also known as Kirby Teasdale journal. I just want to do that. I've been wanting to do it. And yeah, let's get that a little further along. And then Friday, I don't have any videos scheduled right now. I want to make jewelry, and I don't know whether it'll be catching up on the months I missed for jewelry making fun or pricing jewelry and getting it out on Etsy, which is on vacation right now. And I would probably need to do 1 load of laundry. I did I did towels and 1 load of mine over the weekend because my son didn't have to do laundry this weekend. And so yeah, that's my turn. And then Saturday, my son, we were supposed to do that this weekend, but he wants to get his very first passport. So I'm going to help him with what does he have to do. He keeps saying he's got to go somewhere and do this paperwork. I'm like, no, you got to go somewhere to get a picture, but you need to fill out the paperwork and gather the documents first. Because I remember, unless they changed it, you had to have your original birth certificate and all kinds of stuff. So I got mine renewed. So it's his turn now. I want to work somewhat in my craft room organization, and that would be on the paper crafting, junk journaling side, because it's it's just a mess. I can't take it anymore. And also, I have to, in the morning, do a drawing for a hidden giveaway that I had this past week. I will not tell you what video it was, but those that watched? No. And yeah, that's it. So the drawing will be Saturday morning for that one. And so I hope good luck to everybody. And then Sunday, do my planner and the video for Monday. I'm really bad about that, but anyway. And I want to color a mandala and do the video for Monday. And I think that one will be in my new color by number mandala book. And then color for crafting party with friends and for color and create with us rock art and do videos for Monday. And that's about it. The quote down here says, I always deserve the best treatment because I never put up with any other. And that is Jane Austen. All right, I forgot to write walk. Um, I'm going to put walk or exercise because if the rain comes when they say Wednesday night, it goes into Thursday, so I'm just not sure. I'm also not sure about Friday, so I'll put walk or exercise. I do have some videos I can watch for on YouTube, I think, and I also have some old CDs um, walking in at home. They're walking CDs, and I have some exercise ones too, but I don't like those. Anyway, that is it. I don't have anything in notes for gratitude. I'll give it some thought. I actually play a word game on my phone called Zen Word, and it just started a new what they call chapter after 10 levels or something, and there's always sort of a peaceful motivational saying, and I saw it in the middle of the night last night, and I should have gotten up and written it down because I remember thinking, oh, that was good. And also, I found an old book of my mother's that has motivational sayings. Maybe I'll actually be cutting that apart, putting some of that in my junk journal. I don't know. I have a thing about tearing books apart. Eeh. So that's it. That's all I have for you. I hope you enjoy. I hope you have a wonderful week ahead. If you think I missed anything, let me know. Oh, you know what? Hmm. Hmm. Where can I do that? Ah, ah, I don't know. Martha Makes Art does Shuffle Cut Create on the 25th, and I started off doing that and then I stopped. I really would like to do that before the 25th and when she announces the next one. I'll put it up here. Maybe make, shuffle, cut, create, and I can maybe do that before I work in the junk journal. Yeah, I'm so far behind and stuff. There we go. Okay, because that's the 25th, and next week is our Thanksgiving here in the United States. And we will now be going to my daughter's. We were going to be staying home, but because they were going to have a big crowd, and now their crowd is dwindled, and people, or one person I invited in particular, is not coming, and the other one I didn't invite because I wasn't sure what we were doing, and so we're not going to be home, so nobody's coming here. Anyway, yeah, so we'll have a part of a day out next Thursday. Next Thursday. All right. Anyway, that's all for this week. I hope you have a great week ahead. And yeah, have an enjoyable, crafty, relaxing week if you can. I know a lot of you still work, and I'm lucky that I don't have to do that yet. You know, I don't know what the economy is going to be like going forward. Nobody does, but so I guess we'll see. All right, everybody, take care. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.